Hey everyone, welcome back to Andy Tech Home. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to print a document in MS Word, that's Microsoft Word. But before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. To print a document in MS Word, you first need to launch or open the document you want to print. After launching or opening the document you want to print, you click on File tab at the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, you click on Print. In the Print dialog box, you choose your print settings. That's the number of copies you want to make, the printer you want to use, whether you want your paper to be portrait or landscape, whether you want to print as an A4 sheet, A3 sheet, and many more. After doing all these print settings, you just click on Print. And that's it. You've successfully printed the document in MS Word or Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more MS Word tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.